Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you fix contacts disappeared missing on iPhone. So guys, to fix this problem there are some solution for it. The first solution to it is just go to your settings, click the top your Apple ID, scroll down and here you can see sign out. You need to just sign out from your Apple ID and sign in again. Now for the second solution, go to your settings and in your Apple ID here you can see iCloud, click on it and after clicking it scroll down, click on show all and here you can see contacts, just toggle it and turn it on again, keep on my phone and turn it on again, March. By doing these two things you can just fix your problem, but if it is not fixing then you can just go back, scroll down and here you can see general, click on it, scroll again and here you can see transfer reset iPhone, click on it, click on reset and here you can see reset all settings. You can just reset all of your settings and by this way you can fix contacts disappeared missing on iPhone. So guys, hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.